Hey guys, so for today's video I am going to be unboxing this extremely huge box that I am leaning on right now from FABFITFUN. Thank you so much to FABFITFUN for sponsoring this video. I partnered with them so I could show you guys everything that is in their new box that they have just released for spring. So if you guys are not familiar with FABFITFUN, they're basically like a seasonal subscription. So four boxes a year goes for $49.99, which is actually a really good deal if you think about it, because the products that you get in the box are worth over $200 usually, and they're all full size too. So to get everything, and this, I mean, like seriously, this thing is freaking huge. To get all of it for $49.99 is a really good deal, and on top of that, I also have a coupon code that you guys can use that they gave me specifically for you guys. So if you want to get your own box, if you're interested in it after I have unboxed it and everything, then just click the link down below, and at checkout, make sure you use the code KN. I believe my code is $10 off. So that's pretty decent because it's already $49.99, and then you get $10 off, and then you get over $200 worth of product. So that's crazy. You can thank me later. Two reasons why I really love this box. First is because I love the fact that they have fashion, beauty, wellness, like fitness stuff in there. I mean, it's just like a little bit of sprinkle of everything, like all the things that I love. And then the second reason why I love this box is because they now have a new feature where some things are actually customizable, so you can get it tailored to you and your specific needs and what you like. So yeah, I'm just so excited. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so first I see a $50 gift card to HelloFresh, which I've never tried before. $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. Look, I see bumblebees. That is so cute. I don't even know what that is. I'm just gonna put the box over here because it's a little bit heavy. We got the 11 by Venus Williams jump rope. Maybe like warm up with this before I do my workout, or I guess I could just do cardio with this instead of it being incredibly boring on my elliptical for 20 minutes. This is $15. Is this what I think it is? Oh my gosh. I love this brand. This is Korres. The Greek yogurt cleanser is like one of my absolute must-haves. So I'm really excited to try this. It's a vitamin C brightening sleeping facial. Vitamin C is something that I use every single day on my face because I do have a lot of dark spots. It says apply to the face and neck. It contains rose oil, vitamin C, turmeric extract, hyaluronic acid, mimosa, and sunflower waxes. And this goes for $48. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It just smells like roses. Love. Guys, I'm excited about this one. What's next? We got the Way leave-in conditioner. I actually just ran out of my leave-in conditioner that I was using. I think it was the Rosarco milk from Briogeo, yeah, and have really only tried like one product, the Wave Spray, and I did love it, but I was so wanting to try the leave-in conditioner, so this is really cool. Yeah, I'm all about hair products. I know you guys were saying that you wanted me, wow, myself. I know you guys were saying that you wanted to see my hair care routine, and I feel like, you know, I'm really picky with my products, so I'll definitely share with you guys my routine and my favorite products and stuff soon. Wow, that smells good. It's a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. This goes for $26. Oh, and it also protects your hair from heat, so that's awesome, because I usually use a separate product to do that. Okay, actually I'm like really weird about my hair like protecting it from the heat, because I do straighten it and curl it all the time. It is naturally curly, by the way. I use about like 2 or 3 different products that protect my hair from the heat. I'm just like paranoid. I actually only wash my hair, and I feel like this is a trick. I only wash my hair once a week. I wash my body, of course, all the time. And when I do wash it, I usually double shampoo, by the way, just so I can really like clarify everything out. And my hair isn't really that greasy. Like, it definitely gets greasy by the end of the week for sure, like in the root area, but if I spray a lot of dry shampoo in, you totally can't tell. So I'll use this because I washed my hair I think like 3 days ago, so I will use this by the end of the week. Then we got the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I'm not sure if I have this already. I think I might. Yeah, okay, I totally have this already, and I've not really tried it yet. I'm not gonna lie. So now I have to. now I really have to try it. This goes for $42. What? This little thing is $42? Damn. It says it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. Okay. I'm starting to get more of those now that I'm getting older. I realize, like, I didn't have bad under eye circles. I guess I still don't, but I'm starting to get a little bit of darkness now underneath. Not like the actual bag, but like darkness. So we'll see if this works. When do I use it? AM and PM? It's gonna test. I'm just gonna test this out on the back of my hand. Oh, it's orange. Interesting. Okay, yeah, this, I must have something else. I don't have this. Now I see how that, because every time I use a concealer that's in that kind of shade, it usually does help with discoloration and kind of like color correcting it. So I'm so excited now to use that. I'm gonna do this tomorrow. What is this? Show Me Your Miu Miu. It is a robe. Oh, this looks like really lightweight, which is nice because the only robes that I have are legitimately like plushy as crap for winter time, like what you would wear to stay warm. And every time I get out of the shower and I put them on, it's just it's a little too hot. This is really nice, actually. I like the flowers. Oh, okay, you can't see. Flowers are on the back. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I gotta put it on. Oh, you guys, that is pretty. I like the pink and the purple and the green together. Don't mind me. Just getting out of the shower. It's probably a little see-through though, I'm guessing. You might get a little nip slip, but that's okay. It's really pretty. Now I feel luxurious. Who is that? Oh God, wait, there's too many lights in here. You can't just run out like that. Everything's gonna crash on me. It's always a little bit scary when things are supposed to be like one size fits all kind of thing, and that's what this is, but it actually fits me really well. It fits me like the way a usual small would fit me. It's not too loose and not too snug. So yeah, I'll put this in my bathroom. This is so adorable with the little bumblebees on it. I want to get like a t-shirt that has bumblebees on it. Oh. Sip by Swell. It's insulated to keep your drinks hot or cold. Well, I don't ever leave the house, but you know, I could use this. I seriously need to get a life, just so I can use this. Okay. Looks like you can put a decent amount in there. It's 15 ounces. So this is $19. Oh, and it says the colors will be randomly selected. I'm so happy I got this one. You know what? I'm just gonna... Ooh, he's so cute. I don't even like yellow. I really don't. It's like that's not my color. But I just love the black bumblebees. So far so good. I'm actually liking every single thing I've gotten, and that's rare. I'm telling you, that is rare. All right, so now we've got a body lotion. It has mandarin, orange, and bergamot in it. You guys might not be able to see it. Can you see? Kinda. Every single time I hold up something white, it always gets like super washed out. But it's for all skin types. It's supposed to hydrate, nourish, and protect, and it is dermatologically tested. Did I say it? The brand, it's Levido, inspired by nature. And the price of this is $19. I was gonna smell it, but it's like a little plastic thingy. Okay, I didn't smell it at first. Now I really smell it. Wow, it just smells really floral. Hand creams are so essential for me because I actually have eczema on this hand, like in between all of my fingers. It's really weird. But I absolutely have to keep them hydrated multiple times a day. See, look, this hand doesn't have it, but this hand is like gross. It's always really cracky and nasty in between these three fingers. But, oh, why did I do that? So I keep some sort of moisturizer on my desk when I edit videos or doing my makeup or filming. There's like always moisturizer near me, so I'm totally gonna keep this around the house and use it. A charcoal scrub that detoxifies, exfoliates, and hydrates your skin. It buffs away dead skin cells and absorbs excess oil to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. It's a gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so I had this one that I bought on Ulta. I think it was from Tree Hut. I ran out of it and I just keep forgetting to buy it, but then every freaking time I take a shower, I'm like, man, I really wish I could exfoliate my body right now, but then as soon as I get out of the shower, I totally forget to buy it again. So yes, this is cool. I think the packaging is really pretty too. I like this little rose gold cap here. Let's open it. Ooh, I can smell it already. Wow. That was really, really strong. I feel like my eyes are gonna start watering. Man, that smells good. Ooh, wow. I don't know how to describe this. A slushie. It literally feels like a slushie. Oh. Feels like sugar. Yep, I'm using that tonight. I feel like I have so many things that I need to use ASAP. And this is $24 here. That's actually not so bad because, I mean, this thing is freaking huge and it feels really luxurious. I'm really surprised, guys. That was my box. I am really excited to use every single thing. There's not one thing that I feel I couldn't use, you know? It would not just be sitting there going to waste. I would actually use every single one of the things that I got today. And I'd say what I'm most excited about is probably everything. No, I'm just kidding. Probably this last one, just because I love exfoliators. Also this Korres. I want to sleep in this tonight. I really want to try this for my hair. And maybe this little Dr. Brandt thing I'm curious about, just because it's so expensive for like a tiny little tube. It must be really good, right? And this is cute. Like, I think this should be my new decor over here. I need to do something over here, guys. Help me out. What do I do? If you found this video helpful or you liked it, please hit the thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Let me know if you have any requests for March, and I'll see you in my next video.